Hello, chat. Good evening, everyone. My name is LTG, and of course, we are back with the outfit chat. With the, sino nag-first? Hello, Super Seek. Wait lang. I-enable natin yung Warudo. Okay, enable natin yung Warudo. Ayan. So, hello, everyone. My name is LTG, and I'm back. Hello. No. Okay. Ito chat, not gonna lie. Okay. Ito chat. This will be the final day that you can see me in this outfit. Unless you pay up again. Pero ibang pay up na yung gagawin niyo sa akin ngayon. Next time. Okay? Good evening. This is the last day. This is the last day kasi 'di ba nga dapat Sunday pero ngayon Monday so hi. Oh, yeah, kaya nga wala namang mangbubuli sa akin
Second!
after that. Limhari. Oh, yeah, tama din. Keep the ears. Yeah, I can keep the ears on my model. Yeah, I can keep the ears if you want. Not gonna lie. I really love the ears though. Hello, Shioni. Welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for liking the live, everyone. Thank you so much for the head pats. And no. I will probably keep the ears or not. It depends on my mood. But anyways, how are you doing, everyone? Hello, Soren. Welcome to the stream. Kamusta kayo? Hello. Still up for... No. That mag-a-add ako ng ng job application jump scare pero ala. Hello po Kuya Krish. Hindi nga ako No. Still a and a fembo. Chat. Ayoko na magalit, ha? Ayoko na magalit, ha? Please. Okay, enough. Okay. Super lakas ng ulan. LTG. Yeah, I know, Soren. By the way, if you want to, just throw a lot of stuff on me, yeah, alam niyo na ang gagawin ninyo. Super lakas ng ulan. Yeah, I know. This guy is speech. Wala na. This is the last this is the last stream that I will go dito. Hello Kaijin. Yeah, stay home, chat. Stay home. Please magbaon kayo ng kapote, magdaan kayo ng sobrang kapal na kapote kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. As in, wag na kayo lumabas or mag-commute na lang kayo. So straight or basta stay dry. Kasi it is so seryoso, it is so ang lakas ng ulan. Orange rainfall warning pa rin kami at saka sa Metro Manila. So ingat kayo sa lahat ng mga nandito. Bakit may watermelon? Ito automatic yan kapag may nagpa-follow kaya may nagwa-watermelon na mga bato. Shioni. Super Sick, hello Kawara. Again, welcome back. Please stay home, stay healthy. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. So, ilan na ba yung natin? So, chat, this is officially my last stream na gagamitin ko tong model na to. Unless you pay up.
Hoy, uminom ka na ng tubig mo!
Mamaya pa limhari. Mamaya pa limhari. May kakaon ko lang uminom ako ng tubig. Mamaya ko. So, hello Twitchy, welcome to the stream. Ito lang. Unless you pay up, pero hindi na tao dito. Pero hindi na yung Galaxy kasi madali lang yan eh. Si Twitchy bigla na lang So, not gonna lie, ito yung like seryoso, if there's a people na may mag-gift man sa akin na where did Mama Dutch go? Nagdi-D&D session yun right now. Bakit? I'm at Mizumi's house? Ooh. Kuya, ba't bokal bo? Bakit ako bokal? Kasi kinuha ni Rico ya. Kinuha ni Rico ya yung yung buhok ko nun. Pero ngayon, ganito na yung model ko ngayon. So, hello chat. Yeah, I know. Hello Cookie, welcome to the stream everyone. Eto lang, this is my last day again. This is my last day. So, eto lang chat. If there's a way na may bumili ng ng ampli game sa akin. May nag-gift ng ampli game sa akin para madali lang talaga yung pag-stream deck ko para kapag nagpindot ako ng please standby, automatic magpi-please standby yan. Yeah. I wanna see if there's a tail. If there's a tail. Oh, wala. Oh, wala, di ba? Oh, wala. Wala ka nakita, di ba? Wala ka nakita, di ba? Hello Mira, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Every single one of you, chat. Sige. Patugtog mo tayo konti. Ayan. Hello everyone. Pwede na Sabi ko nga, chat, again, for the love of God. Ilang ano pa ba? Ilang beses pa ba hindi nga ako pembo? Ay, nako. May allegations again, chat. May allegations again, chat. Please. I really hate that. Hello. I am basically crashing out internally right now. Guys, hindi nga ako pembo. Ay, nako. Say no. Wag mo na akong bebait. Wag mo na ako i-bebait, Kuwara. No. I am not. Okay, I am not, chat. Ito last not gonna lie. Last ko na gamit nitong model na to, chat. Yeah, like Country War. Oh, anong meron sa Country War? Ano meron? Ano meron? Ano meron? Hello Mimi-chan, welcome to the stream. Hello Porino, hello Cookie, welcome back. With what the new mod? Yeah. LTG, guess what? Chicken butt? Haha, Quara. Hello. I couldn't clear less. Ligma. I'm so sorry about that. LTG with the suit. Oo nga, no? Maganda yan, Cookie. Ayan, oo nga, no? Okay yan, Cookie. Okay yan, Cookie. I will add that next time. Huh? I will add that next time. Parang magiging formal ako. Is it purple? Yeah. Purple hair. You know, I got purple hair, chat. Sa tingin nyo, tamang magpa-quiz after exam? No. What would I do? Lawyer LT. So the long thing is purple. Yeah. What do you mean, purple? It is my ponytail, chat. It is my ponytail, chat. That is purple. That is my ponytail, chat. That is purple right now, chat. You know? What if I do if I again, Claire, I am not a femboy, okay? I'm not a fem. Okay, okay. Chat, wag niyo akong galitin, ha? Please. Please, will you be bald again? No. Furry, chat, again, I am not a furry. I am not a fem. Ay, nako. Bakit? Ano bang ginagawa niyo sa akin? Bakit kayo ganyan sa akin? Chat? Ano naman ginagawa sa inyo? Hi Twin, hello Bird, welcome to the stream. Chat, I will do a fanboy para. What? What, Claire? What? A fanboy par? Hmm. Ay nako, Claire. Sino na? Oh my days. Bakit Christian PH, kaya pa ba? Yeah, I know. Yeah, kaya ko pa. Kaya ko pa. Kaya ko pa ngayon, chat. Ito pala yung ginagawa sa akin ng mga viewers ko ngayon, chat. Ano ba ginagawa niyo sa akin ngayon? Fam, oh my days. Stitch Boys, welcome to the stream. Twin, I started playing Magic Rampage. Oh! Guys, confirm one per boy para. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye, chat. Bye-bye, chat. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with the streams. Bye-bye, chat. Hello, Lumi. Welcome to the stream. And I'm back. Hello, I'm back. Oh my days. Bakit kayo ganyan sa akin? Ano bang ginawa ko sa inyo, ha? Ano bang ginawa ko sa inyo? Mag ginawa ko sa inyo? Wala naman akong ginawa sa inyo masama. Pero bakit kayo ganyan? Ha? I'm gonna draw. Oh my days, chat. Dinodog show nyo ako. LTG once said, "Awoo!" Did I bait myself again? Oh my god, LTG, don't bait yourself. Ay, nako, chat. Kasi PH, okay pa pa. Oh my. Hello, Yasashi. Welcome to the stream. Kaya ko pa ba? Ganito, every single time na nagsistream ako na may outfit, na may ano. LTG ko to, ano? Ano sinabi mo? Ano sinabi mo, Claire? Wala ako sa basement mo. Hello, hello, random. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Yeah, hindi ko na kaya. Tahol ka. Okay. Bakit kayo ganyan sa akin? Ano bang ginawa ko sa inyo? Wala naman akong ginawang masama. Ano bang ginawa ko sa... Oh, nako. Ay, nako chat. Why you want to basically gaslight me with femboy applications right now? Ano ba ginawa ko sa inyo, ha? Yeah. Ay, nako. Ay, LTG is going to... No, I am not. A war with viewers, probably. LTG, okay. LTG, can I promote something? Ano, promote mo? This you, bro. Wala na akong masabi sa inyo, chat. Ano bang ginawa ko sa inyo? Ano bang ginawa ko sa inyong masama? Wala naman, diba? Wala naman, diba? Ano bang ginawa ko sa inyong masama? Wala naman, diba? Bakit kayo ganyan? Bakit kayo ganyan sa akin? Ha? Bakit kayo ganyan sa akin? What do you mean you said it? LTG needs gum. Okay, kaya LTG mag-VTuber na ako soon. Good luck on basically maintaining your viewers to not get crashed out like this. You know? To not having a quote-unquote crash out on your viewers that having an allegations. Yeah. Imagine that. Every single time na nagsistream ka may allegations na mapaligid sa akin. LTG once said, no, hindi mo na ako mabibait yan. Hindi mo na mabibait yan. Nope. Again, chat. Ilang ulit ko pa ba sasabihin? Ha? Mamaya aalis na ako dito. Mamaya aalis na ako. You better post the bait. Probably. Kung hindi ako tinamad or wala. Ngayon ka lang namotas may freckles yung model ni LTG as a... Matagal na yung model ko. Ha? There. Matagal na yung model ko. Since 4 years ko pa to ginagamit. Tapos ngayon mo lang nakita yung freckles ko. Matagal na to. Ha? Simula pa noong 2021, 2022, ginagamit ko itong model na to. Ngayon mo lang nakita? Matagal lang. Where's Baldi? No. Di na babalik yun pa rin. Lagi nagulat ako. I'm so sorry about that, chat. Na ganito kalapit. Ano ba meron dito? Chat? Ano ba meron dito? Malapit lang yung mukha ko. Ano ba meron? Wala naman, diba? Naka-scroll ko na to. Yeah, think fast. Don't poke me like that, chat. Don't poke me like that, chat. No, stop. Wag na, amoy kaya hapunan. Hello, Misty. Welcome to the stream. Stop poking me. Stop. No. Stop. Okay. Hello, Hannah Grace. Welcome to the stream. Kamusta kayo? Kuya Christian once said, woo! Yeah, I just baiting myself. No. I am actually baiting myself for that. Parang kinukula. Hindi, literal na poke kasi yun. Hindi siya dumadaan sa like dumadaan lang siya sa cheek ko. Okay. Okay lang kami, pre. Yeah, okay lang ako, Hana. I am not crashing out on this stream like last time. You know, wala naman ang ginagawa dito. Just chilling and staring at your soul right now. Staring up your soul. on what you're actually doing on my entire stream. Na ano ba ginagawa ko sa inyo na masama? You sure, Pep? Chat again. I am not a No. No, chat. Hello, Kenji. Welcome to the stream. Ay, nako, bakit pa ako nag-stream? Ganito lang bubulihin ng chat. Yeah, thank you so much for the headpats, chat. Yeah. Ay. Para ka daw, Pep. Hindi nga ako femboy, chat. Ano bang ginagawa ko sa inyo? Ha? Wala namang ginagawa sa inyo masama, di ba? Nagsistream lang ako dito na maayos, tapos gagawin niyo ako ng femboy allegations. Ano pang ginagawa ko sa inyo? Wala naman, di ba? Okay. Femboy kasi. Okay. I'm done. Bye-bye, chat. Bye-bye. Director! Wala pa ba? Ay, nako, wala tayong magagawa. Magsistream pa rin tayo, chat. Collab with Asi while wearing a Okay lang, Hari. Go lang, ha? Okay. Oh no. Looking at this Dutchy right now. Collab with Jinxie? Probably not. Matagal yan. POB made this of serving. Ano bang ginagawa ko sa inyo? Wala naman, di ba? Ano bang ginagawa ko sa inyo? Wala naman, di ba? Wala naman ako ginagawa. Kuya, you're in main... Hindi. Daya, kakasabi ko nga, di ba? This is the last... The last time you're seeing me with this model. The last time. Yay. Finally. Wait ba mo na isang araw? Yes. Last week. Last week, le. Do it every day. No. Unless you pay up. With hindi na Dea yung hindi na TikTok universe yung pay up. Give me a yun lang. Ito seryoso to If you give me a P-Fine ampli game D6 na parang stream deck. Yan. If you give me a P-Fine ampli game, literal na magiging maganda yung stream ko kasi literal na yung pag nagpindot ako ng Christian PH matik na kaagad. Collab ni Christian. No, hindi TikTok universe. Super sick. Iba na. Na napag-isipan ko para para physical gift naman yung ibigay niya sa akin na yan. So, not gonna lie, W-san na ako. Ooh. Not gonna lie, if someone give me a P-Fine ampli game D6 kasi hindi seryoso to kasi para mas maganda yung yung pag-trigger ko, for example yung mga trigger ng yung mga mga standby kasi literal na tinitrigger ko pa siya in-app. So hassle, so literal na pipindot-pindot na lang. Well, TG has the job application. Good job. Good job. Hello, random. Yeah, good job. Oo nga pala, ano yung sinasabi mo kanina? Random. Ano yung sinasabi mo kanina? Earlier. Hello, lol. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? I'm just chilling and I'm just, yapping until I, buy a connective. yeah. Connect your viewers into, the stream, I guess. Bye, Kev. What do you mean about that? Oo nga pala, chat, dahil eto lang, kasi sabihin na natin quick live stream lang to. Hindi seryoso to if someone actually, kasi natutulog ako maaga agad. Kasi I have work tomorrow. So, matik Friday, Saturday, Sunday ulit ang ating stream. So, I will contact you guys if there's a stream. Is there's a stream, is there's a random stream, or if there's a, like, talaga. Di na pala censored din yung word na job kasi I have one. I have one already. But I will add a job application jump scare next time. Or, not gonna lie, imagine if I actually add it right now pero not in the mood right now kasi mahirap. What's your job? Secret na muna for a meanwhile. But anyways, chat, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I will go back to my old model. Na I think we can actually go back right now. Like, I can actually go back right now. I will just save scene. Wait a minute. I can actually go back right now. May cake pa to may cake pa to yung model ko na isa. So, wait lang. Does it include call center? No, hindi. Hindi random. Wait a minute, chat. Naglo-load pa. Naka ano pa ako, naka birthday pa. Hindi ko ginalaw to since ayan. Save natin to. Hindi ko ginalaw to since like my birthday. Yeah. So you will be missed. You will be missed kagad, Cookie. Yeah, babalik tayo sa ganitong model except if you want to actually support me kasi parang hindi seryoso yung ampli gain kakalabas lang niya sa market. So I really want to have a quote unquote budget friendly Steam Deck. So yun lang. So if you want to actually get a maid again, eto na, hindi na for a week kasi medyo mamahalin to. For siguro no, not Galaxy. No, not hindi na Galaxy yung isasendin niyo sa akin. Kasi not gonna lie, I really need this. Na if you want to actually see it, just hindi layo IRL. Grabe ka naman to, Misty. Hindi, if you want to actually see the like just DM me if you are interested. Kasi not gonna lie, I really need this for quote-unquote streamer bot para para kapag kuwari I will do the funny like piano on command, like piano on command, I can actually do that. And yun, hindi seryoso yun lang. I will send you guys if you want to DM niya lang ako kung ano yung link kasi I really need this para siyang budget stream deck. Not gonna lie. Yeah. So hindi na a month yung magiging ko is probably eto 3 months. Okay sa inyo o 6 months? 3 months or 6 months? Kasi kapag 6 months, medyo overkill na yan Medyo overkill na yan Not gonna lie, medyo overkill na. Yung, dito. Yung mismo, yung mismo ginagawa ko, medyo overkill na talaga. But, anyways, chat, we are back at my quote-unquote old model. Hello, Preston. Hello, Kay. Hello, Cookie. Hello Kenji, welcome to the stream. We are back at my old model right now, chat. So, eto lang. Hindi seryoso kasi kailangan ko rin yan. Hello, Lolo. Wala na, hindi na Lolo. Hindi na Lolo LTG. Ha? Hello, Ramirez. Welcome to the stream. Kamusta ka? Next time, I will do the tuxedo. The tuxedo one. Yan. So, mamaya na muna chat kasi I think I need to go now for a little bit. So, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!